This is Matt, and this will be a quick video on how to add a data source to Looker Studio. So I'm right here on my Looker Studio backend. I'm inside a project right here, as you can see. So super simple in order to add a data source. We've got the data source over here that I've already added. You can see that there's some Google Analytics ones here. So two different places. We can either click down here at the bottom where it says add data, or very simple, right here in the toolbar, add data, click on that one. And now we have all of the different data sources that you can add on Looker Studio. Now, Looker Studio has fairly recently been acquired by Google. It's now Google products. There's a lot of Google products here. You see Google Analytics there, GA, there's Google Ads, Google Sheets, and so on and so forth. But they've got Microsoft products here like Microsoft Excel and so on and so forth. You can use the search right here. So if we're looking for analytics, we can do that. We can see that YouTube Analytics are there as well. We can put in from BigQuery. There are so many options here. All you're going to do is you're going to click on one, and then if you haven't already got, for instance, I've clicked on Google Analytics here just to show you, you will now add your account, which I've already added here, my filmmaking, lifestyle, media account, and then the different properties, the different websites are right here. If you were going to pull in from something different, maybe you're pulling in from Google Sheets, you can click right here. You can authorize your Google Sheets, and that will be connected and you'll be able to pull in data from your Google Sheets. So that is a very straightforward method on how to actually add a data source in Looker Studio. Hopefully this video has been useful for you. If it has, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.